It's like the Lion thing.
Alrighty guys, good morning. Alrighty folks, we're on our way to day 2 of loading. Today it's gonna be audio, video, and some scenic. So it should be pretty good. And I think we have like our background lighting, but we're not gonna do that until scenic stuff, so it's much easier for us to deal with. And it's pretty much being blocked by a giant LED wall anyways, so it's gonna be pretty cool. But we are driving down from the top of Snowmass. And we're gonna go to work and be crazy. Hopefully. It's gonna be a good day. And it's gonna be a long one though. But there's gonna be a lot of cool intermediate pieces to our gig today. So it's gonna be
First time I got
excited about it. Pretty excited about life. But last night was awesome. We were sleeping so good up here, it's ridiculous. I'm not sure if it's because of the thin air and we're just like, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. The boys are following behind us. So we're headed to work. My hair looks crazy now that I took off my sunglasses. Anyways, we're on our way into work. We're in the green room. They finished up the tents last night. Look, it's Troy! Anyways, seeing people are here. We at work! So here, our lights are on. You think Sal left these on? It's dark in here. Focus exposure. Oh, cool beans. Boys are walking in. Papa forgot his jacket. That was perfect. Sorry if this is a little bouncy. I'm obviously recording on my phone, but I just wanted you guys to be able to see a bit more. And I feel like I can't take that special camera into work, so I'm walking back in the back of the property, behind the tent. Those are our air conditioning units, or our heaters if it's too cold. But look at that, isn't it beautiful? And not a lot of people know that, but I'll be able to tell you guys what location is actually behind the location we are. But I can't really tell you guys a bunch, but it's just beautiful, that's for sure. Look at all the big old flowers. Usually it's a little bit more like full of flowers, but I think since it's just so cold that nothing's really going on. Oh, I want to show you guys this little entrance over here. And look at those little triangle things. Doink, doink, doink. All I know is those are really expensive and you can get in a lot of trouble. But this little entrance, I took a picture of when I first came, my very first year. Look how pretty it is. It's like you're walking into a little secret garden. I love it. Anyways, I gotta give Pop Rock his jackets. The boys over there. That's our power. And woohoo! It's the pin. It's the pin malfunction user. That's who it is. Anyways, hey folks, we haven't seen you guys probably since this morning. We had sandwiches and stuff and all that fun jazz for lunch, so it totally worked out. But it's just been kind of a busy day. I didn't even take any pictures of the inside of the tent before we left. Pop Rock, did you take any pictures of the inside of the tent before we left?
No.
Damn. Horrible.
Kind of busy, Jeff.
Yeah, I know. We all have. We all have been really
It's
busy.
gonna look the same in the morning.
Yeah, I know.
Carpet Park.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, Smuggler Street.
Oh yeah, totally, yeah. So, anyways, we're on our way back to the condo, and we're gonna make some dinner, and it's gonna be a good end of the night. But it was a crazy day today. Crazy. And I gotta do some of the stuff that Becky gets to do.
What? Street.
I got to hang out with you today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, normally I don't get to.
Well, they're off. I mean, I could.
didn't get a chance to show you guys this, but look, we have our own little waterfall. It's so cute. Dinner is served. Grilled cheese, beef stroganoff, green beans. Yummy, num num num. I'm excited. Look at it.
No, I grabbed the real one. Watch out.
Hungry. Babe's taking a selfie of his. He already ate his grilled cheese.
It's like the Lion King.
I'm trying to figure out how to work
The Coffee King.
What are you naming it?
Simba! Bobby, Simba!
This is happening here, bro.
This
is going
is
on
what
right
happens
here.
in Aspen.
This is what happens in the other room. You're like,
Yep.
That was really bright. The flash just went off in our face. I just got out of the shower. He just got out of the shower. But it's bedtime. We really needed to get to bed. We were helping Eddie finish up his video. And we kind of had to stay awake just in case he needed to ask us a question. So we're kind of pooped out and we're ready to go to bed. So I hope you guys had fun hanging out with us. I'm sorry I didn't record as much on my phone today. I'll do a better job tomorrow, but today was kind of busy.
yeah.
Like really busy.
Stop.
Yeah, so also I'm keeping it a surprise on my Instagram for pictures so you guys will see what's going on tomorrow. We hope you guys had fun. If you did, please do give us a thumbs up and hit the like button down below. Also, if you guys are new to our channel and not yet subscribed,
Please subscribe. We'd love to have you.
we really do appreciate all your guys' support. It means the world to us, and we are so excited to have you guys along with us. We hope you are enjoying, and we will see you guys for day 3. Men.
Yana.
Bye, guys. We are awake. It was crazy beautiful. Good morning. Look how amazing that looks outside. Oh my gosh. It's so stunning.